the 24 times amplified account revolution. Let this sink in. What if a $10,000 deposit could generate 1,680 hours per month in passive income starting from day one? Well, here's more. When first looking at this opportunity, your immediate reaction may be, hell no, because you'll notice the monthly profit is an estimated 1.17%. 1.17%. So without knowing the big picture, you may say nope and close the page. But then you would have missed it. Something that changes everything. The big picture that most people miss. This is the game changer. The capital deposit is multiplied 24 times. Yes, deposits are multiplied by 24. That means a $500 deposit becomes a $12,000 trading balance, and a $1,000 deposit becomes a $24,000 trading balance, and a $10,000 deposit becomes a $240,000 trading balance. And that multiplied balance, that's what earns the 1.17% monthly. Instantly, that tiny 1.17% isn't so tiny anymore. Let's do the real math. Pay close attention. Instead of earning 1% on your original deposit, you're earning an average of 1% on your 24 times amplified balance. Here's what that can look like. On a $1,000 deposit, the trading balance would be $24,000, with your monthly earnings being $240. You keep 70% of that, $168 per month. $5,000 deposit, the trading balance would then become $120,000, and the monthly earnings would be $1,200. And you keep 70% of that, which is $840 per month. And on a $10,000 deposit, the trading balance becomes $240,000. The monthly earnings are $2,400. 70% stays in your pocket for a total of $1,680 per month. That's not 1.17% returns. That's an estimated 19.65% monthly return on the actual deposit, and it never expires. Why this actually works? The market is the Forex gold trading market, which is a $7 trillion daily traded market in Forex, the most liquid financial market in the world, specifically in the gold trading sector, real institutional grade trading. The broker is tagmarkets, an offshore global broker with over 1 million clients and $350 billion in monthly trading volume, licensed in Mauritius and South Africa and insured by Lloyd's of London. The trading team. Behind this system is 15 years of trading experience, 1 lead trader and 2 supporting co-traders. Fully transparent AI-supported gold trading system with a strong focus on risk management and capital preservation. A stable and disciplined strategy. Complete transparency. Every single trade is publicly trackable on MyFX book, independently verified and 100% transparent. You can verify everything yourself. Takeaways. Here's what makes this truly special. 24 times amplification on your deposit. Keep 70% of all profits. 0 subscription fees. 0 withdrawal fees. Profits withdrawable from day 1. Unlimited daily withdrawals. Crypto withdrawals within 1 hour. Your amplified account never expires. Reinvest and compound anytime. Your principal is available after an initial 30-day lock, and it trades 5 days per week. Minimum to start? Just $10. Yes, $10. The payment options are cryptocurrency, credit card, and bank wire. Coming soon is a free credit card with a minimum of $250 in deposit. Income disclaimer. The income examples and earnings statements presented in this presentation are based on historical performance data and represent potential earnings only. These figures are not guarantees of future results. Real examples, real numbers. A $1,000 deposit is amplified to $24,000 with monthly earnings of $240. A $2,500 deposit is amplified to $60,000 with monthly earnings of $600. A $5,000 deposit is amplified to $120,000 with monthly earnings of $1,200. A $7,500 deposit is amplified to $180,000 with monthly earnings of $1,800. And a $10,000 deposit is amplified to $240,000 with monthly earnings of $2,400. Now imagine compounding those returns. The power of compounding. Reinvest and compound if you choose to. For example, starting with $5,000 in month 1, you'll earn $840. Reinvesting that brings a new balance of $5,840, an amplified account of $140,160. In month 2, the earnings would be $982, and in month 3, the earnings would be $1,128. Within just 12 months of compounding, monthly income could double or triple. Talk about long-term consistency in the world's most liquid market. Key institutional features. Banking level system with real-world, high-quality institutional trading. Subsidiary of TM Financial Ltd. Licensed broker operations in Mauritius. 15 years of proven experience. Conservative, disciplined approach focused on capital preservation. To recap, 44 times deposit amplification. A conservative 1.17% monthly with a 19.65 estimated return on deposit. Keep 70% of profit earned. No subscription fees whatsoever. 0 withdrawal fees. Unlimited daily withdrawals. Never expires. Amplified account balance continues to earn. Start with just $10. Fully transparent and independently verified. Reinvest or compound available. Reality. All trading involves risk, but here's what is different. 15-year veteran team doing the trading. Every trade is publicly verified. Risk management is the #1 priority. Profits can be withdrawn from day 1. Principal is accessible after 30 days. Top-tier insured broker. But this is time sensitive. The 24 times amplification accounts are for a limited time. Normally, it's 12 times. Right now, it's doubled the standard amplification. When this promotion ends, it goes back to 12 times. That means if you deposit $10,000, now your balance would be $240,000 in trading volume. That's $1,680 per month. Give it later, and the balance is $120,000 in trading volume, for $840 per month. That's $840 per month left on the table every month. Next steps. You have 3 options. Option 1, do nothing and stay exactly where you are. Option 2, wait and see. Risk missing the 24 times amplification window. Option 3, start with as little as $10 and try it for yourself. Keep in mind, profits are withdrawable from day 1. The principal deposit is available after 30 days. Every trade is publicly verified. There are 0 subscription fees and 0 withdrawal fees. The 24 times amplification window is still open. The 24 times amplification won't last forever. Get back to the person who invited you for their link to get started. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.